Greens family, Bomani time, but yeah, man, one of my favorite places in Ghana, and we're at the Art Center. And it's a whole lot of shopping here, and you see the sign in the background. Yes, and these are a group of our brothers here in Ghana that manufacture and resell all of the arts and culture. That's why it's the National Center for Culture in Accra. And we're going to the one in Kumasi in several days. But family, I got my two brothers here with me. You see the shirt?
Yes, you are so cool.
Aim as I as Nkrumah.
Yeah, man.
Aspire to inspire.
Yeah, man.
You know, Africa for the Africans.
Yes, sir.
Where did we just come from? Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Right from the mausoleum. Nkrumah mausoleum.
Africa bounty.
We had a nice time there.
Africa bounty. You must see
all our pictures were taken.
Nkrumah never died, so me I say, because the man them a legend. Africa for the Africans.
Yeah. This is a big project. Africa for the Africans. Man, repatriation is a must. Reparation is a must.
Repatriation
and Africa's unity is a must.
Yes, it's the time now for Africans to come together as one. Losing a swan and the right umbrella, so me I say, it's not a joke too.
Yes,
bless.
They're perfect, and let's keep on turning, and we're gonna show you the art center itself. So family, what you're looking at is a lot of, come this way. Come this way with me. So family, what we want to show you is, we want to show you the different shops. We're going to give you this, when you go further in, it's a whole lot of shopping, but we just want to show you the outside of the shops. It's it's the second place we come, and you know, we reach out to our brothers and sisters and tell them to buy as much of the arts and culture and crafts and things. That way we can share more of the culture of Africa in our lives. If you're looking to return to America and you're looking to redecorate your house, perfect location to come and buy all of the arts and craft. I mean, you're a Ghanaian. You tell me about the art center.
Yeah, man. This the biggest where you can get everything you want, all the art crafts. You know, talk about beads, talk about T-shirts, talk about flags. You know, you get everything here.
Everything.
Do they have these T-shirts here?
Yeah, they've requested. Actually, they've requested for some, but I'm here to deliver.
Yeah, people are gonna be asking about, can I get one of these? I mean, these T-shirts are incredible.
Yes, sir. You know? Yes, sir. Yes,
so, I mean, let people know how they can get one. I mean, they might want to order one. I don't know. You know?
Yeah, man. You just have to call. Call the number Rasokru, or inbox me on Facebook.
Give them the information.
Yes, sir.
The number. We
have a page on Facebook. We have a group. Yeah, man. So if you join, you get all the information. You just go to the file. All the informations are there. Our constitution is there. Everything is there. We're preparing to get a website, and we hopefully our brother here, who is an IT specialist, will be of help.
Absolutely. Yeah, we do our best to make sure we have everybody up and running.
We're coming through.
So we have to keep marketing ourselves.
Yes, sir.
So the reason, family, I'm telling you about the art center is really this. We have a lot of our young brothers and sisters throughout Ghana that manufacture these arts and culture crafts, and they're here at one specific location where you can get access to multitudes of them. So, we just came over here, been here for about 30 minutes, and a lot of people are already getting their shopping on, and they're heading back to the bus and everything. And it's one of those things where when we come back to Accra, then you can enjoy more shopping if you didn't break your bank, right?
Yes, sir. And these are registered sellers, vendors.
And that's why we show the sign about the Arts and Craft Dealer Association. That people know that this is real business.
Yes, sir. In case of any mishap, you're definitely gonna find them. If you want to exchange something, you come to them.
Wulipa Art and Craft tonight. So I see biggest GH, the art center. So I see.
Yes,
like the time. If you all massive, just come down.
If you want Kente, if you want Batakari,
so I say.
Any African way you want, you just come here.
For real.
And they will treat you very nice. They will tell you meanings of some symbols, and Wulipa thing. It's better you come here,
Zion is home.
So family, the journey continues, and there we go. Bam.
Yes, sir. Bless it.
Right,
Africa for the Africans.
The revolution continues. Nation building in Ghana. So family, we'll catch you at the next site, and we'll keep the journey footage going for you to want to come to the motherland to repatriate and invest. Right?
Reconnecting Africa for repatriation and investment.
For Africans to come together.